You can laugh all you want in a thousand. Because rumor have it said, you only employ people from 13 and you not spread the work. And that a fuel everything.
Just I have contracts for all of the workmen for the job. Yeah, I can feel the youth them from 13 work as watchman. But you know, me not involved in the political or the gang warfare, me not take side.
Perception more important than facts. And it's going to look and sound.
So it's no longer a question of money.
Look, Bridget, I could argue the thing about money, from now till next year, but the reality is, the area leader done thing, have the investors them shitting.
So, me I done now. So what that mean?
They want to pull the plug on the project.
A joke here, right?
Carlton, stop worrying yourself, man. Tell us I have something can link you up on, man. The profit very handsome.
It's not about the money, Jason. You know how much people that depend on them house there? All the people would have to do is come up with 250,000 and then get in the house. What happened now?
I hope that offer wasn't tied into the 5 million.
Absolutely not. As a matter of fact, let me write you a check.
Humphrey. That's not how it's done. I'm sure you know that. We have a corporate structure and everything goes through that.
Agreed. I'll follow your protocol.
Thanks for your understanding. And thank you for your continued contribution. Now, if you don't mind, I have a meeting to attend, so I need to go get dressed.
Well, thank you so much for meeting with me. It was a pleasure. I hope we can do this again soon, because I have a lot of ideas that could help young girls all across the country. And you are perfect for it.
We'll see. Something is not right. What? 5 million US? Oh yes.
Carlton, you still worry about the wrong thing. Listen, Carlton. Make the people them worry about themselves and find the money for do what them need for do. You need to focus on your reputation. Because if your reputation mash up over this, me can't touch you again. And no investor in Jamaica not going to want to touch you again either.
Jason, you seem more interested in my reputation than me. Let me ask you something. Pull the plug or them give the project to somebody else. And don't tell me the bullshit.
Carlton, I'm not sure. But don't worry about that right now. What is important right now, we go focus on rebuilding your reputation and then move on to something else. Alright?
Okay, Jason. I'll give up the project. I could talk about the next thing. They say you have a handsome profit plan.
That's a smart move, Carlton. Come over, see me, we'll discuss this now.
I'm all ears.
Yes, sir. Oh. Yes, sir. I'm in a meeting. Let me call you right back now.